High value added manufacturing is the more sophisticated manufacturing, which requires a substantial amount of skills, research development, engineering, and machine tooling. All of that training has been lacking in the global north when we started to outsource in the 1980s. The Apple CEO was asked specifically this question: why do you produce your iPhone in China? And he said, the kind of skill we need requires a critical mass of engineering and vocational training that is abundant in China. Very specifically, he said, the era of cheap labor in China is long gone. If we were to try to organize a meeting and bring all the people who have these skills in the United States, we wouldn't be able to fill this room. In China, on the other hand, we can fill football stadiums with people who can do this work. Relocating to the US means you have to invest for many years.